if you want to fix your Sky TV no satellite signal here, well, there are two things that you may want to do. First is we want to understand what the message is really telling you. Now, when the screen says no satellite signal is being received, it's basically your skybox saying, hey, I can't get anything from the dish right now. So it doesn't always mean something is broken. It could be weather, or the cable got nudged, or the box needs a reset. So instead of panicking here, it helps to walk through a few simple checks here to figure out where the signal dropped off. So first thing you want to do is you want to go and restart your device here. So the quickest way to rule out a temporary glitch here is turn off the box at the wall and wait for about half a minute and then power it back on. Now this forces the system to refresh its connection to the dish, and a lot of the time, or a lot of time here, the signal comes back right after the reboot because the tuner inside the box just needed a clean reset. And also, you want to make sure the satellite cable is tightly connected. Now, take a moment here to check the cable going into the dish at the back of your skybox. If it's even slightly loose, the signal can drop instantly. So you don't need tools, just gently twist it to make sure it's snug. A loose connector is one of the most common reasons people suddenly lose their satellite channels. Now, also, sometimes the issue is as simple as something blocking the dish or a dish shifting a bit. So just look outside from the ground. Don't need to climb or anything here. If you see heavy rain, strong winds, branches near the dish, or debris stuck to it, that alone can cause the signal to dip. So when the weather is rough, it's pretty normal for the signal to cut in and out in the storm. Until the storm actually passes. And also, you may want to go to your settings, then go to signal on your skybox and check the signal strength and quality. Now, if both are extremely low or showing zero, it's clear sign the box isn't getting anything from the dish. Now, this helps confirm it's not a software issue, it's a physical connection or dish alignment problem. So you may want to revisit the previous steps. And finally, know when it's time to call a technician. Now, if you've restarted the box, check the cable and the dish, looks fine, but the message keeps popping up, that's usually when the technician needs to step in. Things like dish alignment, a fitting LNB, return of cable damage aren't easy to fix without tools, so getting a Sky engineer ensures the signal is properly measured and the dish is lined up the way it should be. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.